Welcome guys, welcome to Paulo Auto Repair channel. I have a 2014 Ford Explorer 3.5 and I have a call P0442 and is the valve leaking and then uh, I am going to show you how to change the canister vent valve solenoid. This one, easy to change it. Okay, it's easy. This is a new one. I am going to here on the passenger side. The rear tire is close to the tank. Okay, let's go to the under the car. Okay, the tank is over there, has two tank, but the canister is exactly here, the canister, but the piece is here. Okay, let me see. Okay, the piece, the vent is here. I already take it out, but I am show you fast how to change. You need to disconnect. Okay, the piece is here. You need to disconnect this hose. I already disconnect, and the plug. The plug only you need to push. Only you need to push the here. I'm sorry. Only you need to push and pull out. Okay, I already did, but I am going to take it out, and has three clipped. This one, there are other one here, and other one on the top here. This one is very close, so there is no space to put something, the clip. But with two clip, if you get two clip, a pull up is coming out. Okay, only you need to do like this, the clip one, and the other one with I use this a little, and the same time you need to separate and pull up, and it's coming. You don't need to try to separate the clip on the top, because with these two is just only just that one, and pull up is coming out, and you see, just the two clip, this one and this one. And if you get separate the clip, and then the other one case here on the top is not necessary. Okay, the clip is this one, yeah. And now this is the new one. Only you need to see, you need to the on the top, only you need to put on the top. Let me see, and push up. Okay, it's right there. Is let me see the clip. Okay, the clip is in the right place, and this one too. Okay, yeah, is the new one already is installed, and then you need to put the connector and the hose, and erase the code, and that's it. Okay, for 2014 for Explorer 3.5, and the vent valve solenoid, canister vent by solenoid. Okay, hopefully this the code is P0442. Hopefully this video help you. See you next time.